technology.DS is expected to unveil an all-electric DS3 Crossback at the upcoming Paris Motor Show in September. Auto Express reports that the vehicle will be the first model from the PSA Group to feature the brand's e-CMP architecture. DS Vice President of Product Eric Apode says the vehicle will premiere the platform ahead of any Peugeot or Citroen-branded models because of the positioning of DS as the group's key marque for technology. It's unclear if the vehicle will be first revealed as a concept or not at this stage. Additional details about the DS3 Crossback remain unclear. However, the car will probably be positioned as a rival to the Hyundai Kona Electric, giving us somewhat of an idea of what to expect. Hyundai will sell the Kona Electric with an entry-level 39 kWh battery pack paired to a 134 horsepower electric motor. Those looking for some extra grunt can opt for a 64 kWh battery and a 201 horsepower motor, enough for a range of roughly 492 kilometers, 300 miles. In 2016, PSA revealed that the e-CMP platform will support battery packs of up to 50 kWh and offer ranges of around 450 kilometers, 280 miles. The platform will be used exclusively by small vehicles.DS intends on electrifying all of its vehicles by 2025.